The world of AI has given us huge updates for free features and releases from companies creating AI assistants. Here's a recap of the most exciting updates that'll forever change the way you do things. This is based on impact and accessibility or affordability. Later on, I'll name the most valuable features and products. As we go through these, feel free to correct details if I've mistaken anything. But first, we'll start with Anthropic and Claude AI. I believe Anthropic was the first of all the major AI players to release a feature to create interactive digital assets in the form of artifacts. Claude AI gives you the ability to create interactive artifacts, including games, web apps, software prototypes, and interactive dashboards. When you submit your prompt, Claude AI will automatically generate a preview panel to the right. Similar to our screenshot, Artifacts has given us these metric scorecards at the top for the key performance indicators, and then these different charts that you can interact with. You can hover over the data points to see what they are and scroll down, and it gives us all these data visualizations with the proper labels and the proper legends. Here's a tip for working with artifacts. Ask Claude to create a product requirements document for you and tell it who your target audience is, whether you're creating it for yourself or you're intending to build it for more users. And it produces this detailed document that includes things like overview, objective, target audience, core features, other specifications, and even a timeline. And you can adjust any of these items, any of these details in your next prompt, and then ask Claude to build the app for you. So it'll build this prototype. You can publish it to show your potential users. Not only that, but it also was the first to offer computer use capabilities such as viewing your computer screen, moving a cursor, clicking, typing text, to search and find items on your computer screen. In another demo, one of the Anthropic researchers asked Claude to find a great viewing spot at the Golden Gate Bridge for the sunrise. And it gives instructions on where they'll be coming from, as well as setting up a calendar event to give them enough time to arrive at the destination. So it opens Chrome, searches for the best place to watch sunrise over the Golden Gate Bridge, maps out the route, searches for the sunrise time, and creates a calendar event. For the next AI update, let's talk. There's a hint for you about ChatGPT releasing advanced voice mode, which was a huge improvement over voice assistants that have already been available for years now. It sounds like a real person responding to you to the point where you can hold an actual conversation with it. Did you all see the video of that young lady using voice mode as her boyfriend? Anyway, another release that OpenAI offered was ChatGPT Search, which was designed to provide up-to-date information directly in responses. So they leverage partnerships they've created with news outlets and data providers to provide current information on topics like weather, stocks, sports, news, and maps. But I want to show you something I've noticed. If we look at all of these sources, notice that they're all pretty recent. You can go to the bottom where it lists the sources, click, it'll show you more results with more recent updated results at the top. If we scroll down, we can see that there are some older sources cited. OpenAI also added Canvas to its ChatGPT interface to offer a better workflow with ChatGPT. This is for writing and coding beyond a simple chat. It offers features like inline suggestions, editing assistance, and debugging. Moving on to Google, which has released some of the most impressive and useful AI products, they rebranded Google Bard as Gemini to highlight their most capable family of AI models, and to make it less confusing to users. They really developed and promoted AI Studio. There are a couple things that make AI Studio one of the most valuable AI products released. First is you can use their premium frontier models for free with 50 responses per day. I don't know about you all, but 50 requests per day is more than enough for me. Second, you can test their experimental models right here in the interface and find out what its capabilities are. This includes real-time voice, video streaming features where you can show Gemini your webcam or video feed, and screen sharing capabilities where you can ask Gemini to teach you things. Third, you can enable search grounding, meaning it'll use Google search results in your responses. Fourth, you can customize system instructions for each prompt, meaning you don't have to go and change the overall settings for AI Studio, but you can change it for each topic, each prompt that you create. Another top AI product release also from Google was Notebook LM. It's your personalized AI research assistant that helps you learn and understand anything. You can upload multiple resources, including PDFs, links to websites, YouTube videos, audio files, and Google Docs. It uses the most advanced Gemini AI model to create resources and assets like FAQs, study guides, briefing documents, and audio overviews that you can download and listen to on the go. In the resources that it creates for you, it'll annotate and link to the specific sources that you upload to it. The next AI product is a paid tool called Deep Research for Gemini Advanced, but it's along the same line as Notebook LM. The major difference is Deep Research performs the research for you to save you hours. Gemini will search dozens of websites for specific topics, historical events, competitive research, and even local businesses. It'll create a report, cite the resources, and allow you to export to Google Drive. The last but not least AI product is actually a group of AI coding tools, some of which you can build full stack web applications for you with a single prompt. The AI coding tools include Bolt.new, Replit, Cursor, V0, Lovable, and GitHub Copilot. They'll provide you with features such as code generation, real-time bug detection, and easy deployment processes. If you're a developer, they can enhance productivity to streamline development. I've used Replit a little bit and Bolt.new. These tools are incredible. If you use best practices and provide good guidance with your prompts, you can build amazing high-fidelity prototypes and products. If I wanted to conduct user interviews with potential users, show this to potential users, I'd be more than comfortable letting them use this created app or prototype. I'm looking to try other tools as well. Only the companies building these tools have an idea of what's to come, while the rest of us eagerly await. What tools do you want to incorporate more into your life? If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.